Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Naomi is with you, and I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. And today I invite you to join me on an exciting journey to the island of Nusa Penida, located near Bali. Our goal will be to visit the famous monkey forest, where we will see its inhabitants, learn about the futures of this place. Let's go! Our journey begins in the city of Sanur in Bali, from where we take a speedboat to Nusa Penida. The journey takes about 45 minutes, and upon arrival we are greeted by a hospitable island with its unique atmosphere and culture. The island of Nusa Penida, located southeast of Bali, is known for its picturesque landscapes, crystal clear waters, and rich nature. Among its attractions, a special place is occupied by the monkey forest, a unique ecosystem that attracts travelers from all over the world. The main inhabitants of this forest are macaques, curious and active primates, accustomed to the presence of people. Watching their behavior in their natural habitat is a real pleasure. However, you should be careful. Monkeys can show interest in personal belongings, so it's recommended to keep valuables under supervision. The forest is a dense thicket of tropical trees, among which you can find rare species of plants and flowers. Bird sounds, rustling leaves, and the sounds of nature create an atmosphere of peace and harmony. Walking along the paths, you can stumble upon small streams and waterfalls, adding a special charm to the place. I would also like to give you some advice. Before visiting the forest, it's recommended to familiarize yourself with the route and take a map or navigation with you. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes suitable for hiking or rough terrain. Keep bags and backups closed to avoid theft of small items. Keep the area clean, don't leave trash, and don't damage plants. A visit to Monkey Forest on Nusa Penida Island is an opportunity to touch the wild nature, enjoy its beauty and diversity. This place will leave an indelible impression and allow you to better understand the uniqueness of Indonesian ecosystem. Thank you for your attention, friends, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye!